No, see, this is what I'm talking about. Come on. Everybody be good. Separate. Piper, no ma'am. Let mommy get in the bed, please. And poor Sophie. Look at poor Sophie. They're just such bullies, Sophie, I tell you. I'm sorry. She say, I used to be the only one. Oh. Pipes. You be nice. Bodie, are you calm? Never. Alright, you guys. Oh, that's sweet. Be so sweet. Oh. Yep, and there we go. Don't you do it. Alright. We're getting ready to snuggle in, aren't we? Alright. Why am I being so southern? Well, honey, say good night. Or good morning to most people. But it's mommy's good night. Yep. Good night, good night, good... Whatever. Dur. I'm gonna chew all the fabric. All the blankets, all the sheets. Uh-huh. You guys are just so cute, I can't take it.